Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best gag gifts is probably one of the most hilarious and unexpected ways to bring laughter and surprise into any occasion, transforming ordinary moments into unforgettable memories with a touch of playful mischief and lighthearted fun, making them perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because you want to share a good chuckle with friends and family. Number 5. Funwares Original 101 Puppies Puzzle. Introducing the Funwares Original 101 Puppies Puzzle. It's not just any puzzle, it's a hilarious collection of 1,000 pieces featuring dogs in funny poses. Looking for a unique gift? This puzzle is the perfect gag gift for dog lovers, white elephant parties, or anyone who enjoys a good laugh. Experience the satisfaction of premium pieces with clean cuts and a no-glare finish. Every piece fits perfectly, ensuring hours of enjoyable puzzling. Get ready for hours of entertainment with this frustratingly funny puzzle. It's designed to bring laughter to teens, adults, and anyone with a quirky sense of humor. Once completed, this puzzle measures 27 inches by 19 inches and comes with a color poster guide. You can choose to frame it as art or keep the laughter to yourself. What we like? If you're looking for a gift that's both challenging and incredibly funny, this is it. It features 1,000 pieces of pure canine comedy, perfect for dog lovers with a sense of humor. The premium quality ensures a satisfying puzzling experience, making it an ideal choice for white elephant exchanges or as a unique present for anyone who appreciates a good laugh. What people say. Really fun and funny jigsaw puzzle. Dogs doing what dogs do. This puzzle is a lot of fun for kids and adults too. We took it to a white elephant Christmas party and it was the most sought-after gift. Everyone wanted it. It was great. It's also a high-quality product too. The humor in this puzzle is undeniably clever and amusing. The puzzle's quirky concept and funny illustrations make for a refreshingly entertaining experience compared to more traditional jigsaw puzzles. Assembling the puzzle was a delightful challenge. With 1,000 pieces to put together, it kept me engaged for hours, and the satisfaction of completing it was worth every moment. The pieces are of good quality, fitting together seamlessly, and creating a beautiful finished product that is worthy of display once completed. Number 4. FreeNFond Christmas Reindeer Mankini. Get ready for a holiday season full of laughs with this unique and festive Mankini. It's the perfect way to add some playful spirit to any celebration. Looking for a memorable gag gift? This reindeer-themed thong underwear is guaranteed to be a hit at any white elephant exchange or holiday party. This novelty underwear comes complete with jingle bells for an extra touch of holiday cheer. It's designed for maximum fun and festive flair. Don't limit the fun to Christmas. It also makes a cheeky and unexpected gift for Valentine's Day, bringing a smile and a giggle. While designed for laughs, it offers a comfortable fit for wear. Embrace the holiday spirit with this hilarious and attention-grabbing piece. From the brand known for fun novelties, this item brings holiday cheer and laughter. It's a great way to make any occasion unforgettable. What we like? For the ultimate in holiday absurdity, consider this festive reindeer Mankini. It's designed to bring maximum laughs at any white elephant party or holiday gathering. If you're aiming to be the most memorable gift giver and want something truly outrageous, this is the perfect, attention-grabbing choice. What people say. Funny gag gift and matched the picture perfectly. Fit great, plenty of room for larger items, was big hit at dinner party, great white elephant gift. Number 3. Witty Yeti Funny Shart Survival Kit. We all know that feeling when you're not sure if it's just gas. Well, now you can be ready for those unexpected moments with our emergency kit. This travel-size survival kit is designed to have your back, side. It's the ultimate solution for any oops moments that might happen. Get ready for some serious giggles. The contents inside are designed to bring on the laughs, and maybe a little bit of relief too. This isn't just any gag gift, it's a high-class kit for those who appreciate a good potty joke. It's perfect for friends and family who love to laugh. It includes everything you need: tissues, wipes, disposable underwear, and even a badge for your bravery. It's the perfect solution for those on-the-run emergencies. We stand by our products. If you're not completely satisfied with your novelty purchase, we promise to make it right. What we like? When unexpected accidents happen, this survival kit has your back. It's packed with essentials like wet wipes, tissues, and disposable underwear, all wrapped in a hilarious potty humor theme. If you're looking for a gag gift that's both practical and ridiculously funny for friends or family who appreciate a good laugh about life's little embarrassments, this is the one. What people say. This was such a fun gag gift. It got lots of laughs and was a huge hit during our White Elephant Dirty Santa game. Everyone wanted it, and it definitely added some humor to the party. Great quality for what it is and perfect if you're looking for something funny and memorable. Highly recommend for gift exchanges. The emergency bloomers are what they give you at the hospital, based on what she said. Great gift overall. Good value for the cost. I gifted this as a gag gift, but she keeps it in her car just in case. Not the first time this happened, she will be prepared next time. Number 2. Dr. DINGUS Yodeling Pickle. Introducing the Dr. DINGUS Yodeling Pickle, a hilarious musical novelty gift. Get ready for some delightful entertainment. This quirky toy is guaranteed to bring smiles and laughter to anyone. It's the perfect way to share some lighthearted fun. With just a simple push of a button, you can unleash pure joy and amusement. Let the giggles begin instantly. Bring this unique pickle to any event and watch it transform the atmosphere. It's the ultimate icebreaker for any gathering. Compact and portable, it's perfect for bringing instant fun wherever you are. Take your amusement with you, anytime, anywhere. This singing novelty is designed to provide endless laughs. It's a fantastic gag gift for friends, family, and coworkers. What we like. Bring instant amusement to any situation with this yodeling pickle. With a simple push of a button, it sings a delightful yodel, guaranteed to get a laugh. If you need a portable, quirky gift that's a guaranteed conversation starter and party enhancer for friends, family, or coworkers, this singing pickle is your go-to. What people say. He loves it and the sound quality is very good. It does look like a real pickle. You can't not smile and laugh with this pickle. I also highly recommend dancing to the song. It puts a whole other level of happy on it. Worked well, looks like a pickle, a bit pricey for what it is, a plastic pickle that makes yodeling noises. Still as a joke for a friend I had to get it. Number 1. 2026 Pooping Dogs Wall Calendar. Introducing the 2026 Pooping Dogs Wall Calendar, your hilarious companion for the year ahead. It covers 12 months, from January to December 2026, ensuring you're organized all year long. Looking for the perfect gag gift? This calendar features adorable yet amusing images of dogs answering nature's call. It's a unique and funny present for friends and family. Each month showcases a different, funny dog in a natural moment, adding a touch of humor to your daily life. The vibrant design and premium paper make it a standout piece. Stay on top of your schedule with generous daily blocks perfect for jotting down appointments and reminders. It also includes past and next month references for easy planning. Designed for convenience, it can be easily hung on your wall, office, or school. Its dimensions are perfect for both open and closed display, keeping your plans visible. This calendar is more than just a planner, it's a source of joy. It helps you track important dates, boost productivity, and bring more laughter into your life. What we like. Brighten up any wall with this hilarious 2026 calendar featuring pooping dogs. It offers a full year of amusing artwork and plenty of space to jot down appointments and reminders. If you're searching for a funny and functional white elephant gift or a unique present for dog lovers with a quirky sense of humor, this calendar is a fantastic choice for year-round laughs. What people say. Great calendar, pooping dogs never disappoint, huh? Big enough my old eyes can read it. Good heavy paper doesn't rip when you flip a page. Big enough squares I can write MP appointments on. Hilarious New Year calendar. I purchased as a white elephant gift for family during Christmas 2025. We actually had a dog that looked just like the cover page, which made it even more hilarious. We were asked to bring a gift that was funny, but that everyone would definitely use. Bingo, this is the gift. It was right in the price range and a great conversation starter with lots of laughter. Quality calendar. They even got all the dates correct. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.